Our first story is about this video that Theo made that I started watching yesterday. I didn't fully finish it, but essentially he had a study showing that your Claude.md, your AGENTS.md files don't actually work. And it essentially had like benchmarks of, I don't remember exactly what they were benchmarking, but it had benchmarks of the different models, and it showed like without AGENTS.md and with AGENTS.md, and all of them performed like about 2 to 5% worse with AGENTS.md than without, which kind of speaks to the idea of like dynamic context, like don't give them AGENTS.md, let them figure it out themselves, how to solve the problem. But Dylan Mulroy, who's principal engineer at Cloudflare, came back and he said, I don't think this study is very good and doesn't reflect the best practices and semantics of how harnesses should properly leverage AGENT.md files. AGENT.md is not good enough, which I agree with. Like you kind of want to refine your AGENT.md and explain to it the actual nuances that you care about in your project. But he actually links to this article as well from intentsystems.com, which goes into a deeper idea of like, instead of having one AGENT.md at the top level, you can actually have one per directory contained within the project. And with that, it actually lets you define like, okay, here for this service, right, for the billing service or whatever, this is the AGENTS.md you need. And then if you go deeper into like, okay, here's the Stripe integration, here's the AGENTS.md you need. And also having the agent like retroactively update it as it needs is what will make it more effective, is essentially what Dylan's saying here. So kind of interesting.